Hi everyone, my name is Joy Karaoke and today I'm in Ruiru Matangi bringing you this 3-bedroom unit that is in the market for 7.8 million Kenya shillings. On today's video, we'll be touring this beautiful 3-bedroom bungalow that is sitting on a plot of 40 by 60. It is a 3-bedroom all-in-suite, and this is your front parking area of 3 cars. This is your entry porch that is beautifully done. I love it. You get a metallic door here. Entering the house, you get a spacious living room that is very beautiful with nice lighting fixtures, nice gypsum, and a huge window that is letting in the natural lighting. This space is huge enough to fit up to 10-seater for a huge family. On this side, you get a separate dining area, nice lighting fixtures, and 2 windows to air your space. The dining area is huge enough to fit an 8-seater dining set. You also get this beautiful hand wash sink. From the dining area, right here you get this open plan kitchen that is fully fitted with plenty of cabinets. You get enough countertops and a pantry for your dry food. This is your pantry area, and this is the door that leads you to this backyard space. And as you can see, you have an electric fence all around with alarm system that I will show you later on. Let's now check out the bedroom in this house. This is the hallway that connects you to the 3-bedroom. This is the first room of this house that is nicely done with a nice washroom here, and it is very spacious. You get a modern lighting fixture, and as you can see, the room is full of natural lighting. This is your combined bathroom. This is your toilet, and the other side is where your rain shower head is. You also get this window to air your space. You get a place to hang your towel, and the bathroom looks so beautiful. On this side is where your built-in wardrobe is. It is very huge. Let's now continue to check out the other bedroom in this house. As you can see, this is what I was saying. This is a controller of electric fence. And on this side, you get this vanity setup and a common washroom here for the guest. It is a nicely done washroom. It is very spacious, and as you can see, it has that window to ventilate that space. This is the second bedroom of this house that is well done and spacious, can fit well a 5 by 6 bed. And as you can see, it has this modern lighting fixture. I love it. Also with a built-in wardrobe and a nice washroom here with fully fitted rain shower head and a place to hang your towel. Also with this hand wash sink and a toilet here. Now to the master bedroom, which is our last room of this house. Entering this bedroom, behind this door you get this washroom that is nicely done. I love it. You get this vanity setup, a nice toilet here, and a place to hang your towel, and a fully fitted shower head here, and that is your window to ventilate this space. This is the entire master bedroom space. It can fit well a king size bed, and you still have enough space to move around. The window is huge to air your space. I love the lighting fixtures and a nicely done gypsum. You also get this closet that is huge enough for your clothes. Heading outside, you get these 2 taps for your cleaning purposes. You can use the tap maybe for cleaning your car or to do something else. And this here is your outside washroom. Let's now go upstairs. We see what is in there. And one thing I love about this house is that you can decide to add another building here, because this column is strong enough to hold another structure. I love these lighting fixtures. They are very beautiful at night. Come and see for yourself. You also get this tank for extra water, and as you can see, you have so many neighbors here. You are not alone. If you're interested with this house, please call the number on screen. Let's talk about business. See you on the next video. Make sure you subscribe, you share our videos, comment and like. See you.